In this episode, we are back at our usual spot. While we are putting our air guns through its paces, at the same time we are taking care of the pigeon problem for the farmer. Oh, before I forget, if you have not subscribed yet, please feel free to do so for more upcoming reviews of the latest and greatest air guns and equipment. Welcome back to our channel, Airbros Review. We are going to review a
Weirauch
.22 10-shot magazine, and let's go check how it does. The wind is blowing quite bad, and ladies and gentlemen, we've got a lady here today. She's going to test out the gun, and let's see how it does. The cameraman. In episode 2, we have the Weirauch 10-shot air rifle. Let's go through its features, some of the things that it has. It's got a thread in the front here, so you can add a silencer. This is the rat silencer made by pelletguns.com that we installed on here today. It's got a manometer at the bottom here, so you charge it up to 200 bar, so you get about 55 shots on full charge. And it's shooting the pellets at, we will give you that information just now. But anyway, going back to it, it's got a beautiful beech stock that we have on here. The wood is quite nice. It is a thumb hole, so you can either have your thumb through or thumb up. And at the back here, you can also adjust the power settings if you want to. You can higher it or lower it. And it's got a side lever cocking and 10-shot magazine. It's got its front safety here. If it's on like that, if you push it forward, it's ready to fire. You can set the trigger as well with a little screw here. You'll see there's a cutaway that you can go in there with your screwdriver, and it's a Phillips star head that you can set in or out for your trigger pull. So you can make it lighter or you can make it a bit harder. So all in all, I'm really impressed with this rifle. We added a Marcool scope on here, 10 by 44 SF. So let's go see how it does on 30 meters. But all I can say is, for the price that you're buying this air rifle, it's in the same price of the breakneck barrels. Why should we go spend so much money on PCPs where you can start off with this at a good price? So let's go have a look. Let me stop talking, let's go show you. Come. We're gonna do a 30-yard accuracy test, 5 shots. And we're going to see how it performs. After that, then we go do some hunting, and we've got some family members here, so we're going to see what they think about this air rifle as well. So let's go check how it works. Here we go. Set. Wow, that's really good, ladies and gentlemen. Considering the wind is blowing. Okay, let's go for it. Wow, nice. I think this is the 5th shot. That is amazing. I'm really impressed. For a budget air rifle, this is going to be a good hit. So let's go check how the accuracy went. That was at 30 meters with a Warrior, 10 shot, bird down. That was a 10-meter shot on a rock pigeon. Pretty good. That was another 31-meter shot on another dove. Pretty stoked. That was a nice 30-meter shot. So that was with the Warrior in .22. Pretty stoked about that. Let's go see, there's a couple more down there. Oh, there's a few cattle coming in front of me, so you always need to know where to shoot and what's behind your target. So always make sure with that. That was another 31-meter shot.
Yo.
Oh, what a shot! So what does this gun do for you?
Maak my smile.
If you buy a PCP, would you buy this gun?
Yes.
Why?
Want hy skiet raak.
Daai op video is
Dis koop geweest.
not. So, Riandre, how do you find this Warrior to you?
I think it's a pretty good gun. Shoots
Is it
nice.
accurate?
I think so.
That's good.
Hy skiet lekker.
Feel free to go visit our website, peleguns.com.